Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amber, and today, as you can see, my hair is in desperate need of some tender love and care, so let's hop right in. With summer right around the corner, honestly, I've been keeping my entire routine super simple and light, so today I'm using my absolute favorite TréLuxe products to get those lightweight voluminous curls. To start, I'm going in with TréLuxe Aloe Vera Curl Primer to detangle. Now, this is a staple for me and is something I'm constantly using both on and off camera. As someone who hates detangling, this product has completely transformed my wash days by cutting my styling time in half. It's incredibly versatile, but my absolute favorite way to use it is as a pre-poo. Even if my hair is severely matted or tangled, this easily breaks down any stubborn knots, tangles, and buildup without stripping my strands. It's super gentle, a little bit goes a long way, and best of all, it's completely vegan, free of any harsh chemicals, and intensely moisturizing, which is always a major win for my curls. If you aren't using a pre-poo, you're missing out on the easiest wash day of your life. Curly hair is naturally prone to dryness, and even the most gentle shampoos can strip away your natural moisture. That is why I never skip this step. Using the Aloe Curl Primer as a pre-poo creates a protective shield over my strands. It gives my hair so much slip that it melts away knots and buildup before I even think about washing, which completely protects my hair from breakage. It essentially keeps my hair hydrated throughout the entire washing process, so my curls stay soft and bouncy instead of feeling stripped and dry. After detangling, I go right into cleansing, and my absolute favorite product for the job is a Curl Renew and Restore Gentle Cleansing Rinse. Usually cleansers don't have much performance when it comes to detangling, but this product has a beautiful slip that just glides right through my curls. It's extremely hydrating and gentle on my strands. I love how lightweight and sulfate free the formula is, but don't let that fool you. It's incredibly effective. It cleanses my hair thoroughly without stripping away any of its natural moisture. Plus, it features a unique 360 complex made of all natural ingredients that help define curls and nourish the hair using tomato extract and amino acids. Super simple, but works wonders on the hair. After rinsing out the cleanser, my hair feels super soft and smells so good. Because my curls need a little extra hydration, today I'm going in with the TréLuxe Ultra Moisturizing Deep Conditioner. This conditioner has a thick whip consistency that feels incredibly moisturizing the second it touches your hands. It easily rakes right through my hair, and then I take my tangle teaser just to make sure every single strand is evenly coated. What I love most about this product is how hydrating it makes my hair feel. If you're someone who constantly struggles with dryness, dullness, breakage, or stiff curls, this is perfect for you. It's made with natural ingredients that help restore balance back to the hair. I'm going to leave this in for about 25 to 30 minutes and then rinse. My curls always look so refreshed after this step, and now we are officially ready to style. The first styling product I'm going in with is the Untie the Knot Leave-In. Honestly, the light cinnamon fragrance is always my favorite part, but the performance is even better. It's super lightweight and glides through my curls, making it incredibly easy to smooth out. I usually take about 3 pumps per section, rake it through damp hair, and then follow up with my tangle teaser to make sure every single strand is evenly coated. Because I won't be touching or styling my hair for a while, I like to use it pretty generously. It's extremely moisturizing and revives my curls instantly. I love layering it with other products, but it's so good on its own as well. To seal all that moisture in, I'm wrapping up with the Soothe and Restore Curl Defining Mousse. I take about 3 to 4 pumps, rake it through with my fingers, and then follow up with my tangle teaser. This mousse has such a nice, rich texture that coats the hair perfectly. I always tend to gravitate towards mousses in the summertime because they're so lightweight, but I love this specific one from TréLuxe because it gives you the best of both worlds. It's super hydrating, but it also defines my curls instantly, provides a decent amount of hold, and gives me a ton of volume. Now, I've raved about this mousse so many times on this channel, so instead of talking about it, I'm just gonna let the product speak for itself and come back to talk about my final results. Combining the smooth with the leave-in gives my hair the perfect balance of moisture and definition that lasts for days. Plus, the whole routine is simple and doesn't take all day to style or dry. Once I was done styling, I diffused my hair and this is how it came out. Super soft, lots of definition, and of course, a nice amount of volume. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Also recommend some products you would like me to try. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so you're notified every time I post. And like always, thank you for watching.